Who are these two inventors? The Wright brothers, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright. They are born in Ohio, USA.
Invented airplane in 1903.
Their job, printer, publisher. Bicycle retailer/manufacturer. Airplane inventor/manufacturer, pilot trainers.
This is a demo for aircraft Airbus A380. Typical seating 555 passengers. Max takeoff weight 126,800. The max landing weight 869,000 lb. This is a demo for aircraft Boeing 747. Passengers 539. Max takeoff weight 735,000. Fuel capacity 48,445 gal lb. A helicopter is a type of rotorcraft in which lift and thrust are supplied by horizontally spinning rotors. This is how the helicopter lands. And this is how the helicopter takes off, vertically as you see.